Hi, this is Fahim. In this video, I'm going to share with you how you can make money online as an affiliate marketer on Facebook. This video is going to be truly very resourceful, and I would suggest you to watch the full video. And first of all, I'd like to share with you that if you are new to my YouTube channel, please hit that subscribe button now because it will inspire me to upload future videos. And let's not waste any more time. Okay, oh, by the way, if you're watching on Instagram, you can still subscribe my YouTube channel by visiting my profile, Instagram profile, and you will find my YouTube channel's link there. So let's not waste any more time. Let's dive into the topic: how you can make a lot of money. Not just money, how you can make a lot of money on Facebook. Well, the thing is, you don't have to own a computer or a laptop to do that. If you simply own a smartphone, you can make money online, you can make money on Facebook. You can use your precious time, because as human, the most precious asset we have is our time. So if you want to learn how you can use your precious time on Facebook, generating sales, making thousands of dollars as a weekly basis, or on a monthly basis, then you need to watch this video and take it very seriously. Okay, um, so let's talk about Facebook organic strategy, or how you can do affiliate marketing on Facebook. Well, let's begin. You need two things to start your career as an affiliate marketer on Facebook. The first one is product. Not only any product, a product that converts well, a product where you have opportunity to make a lot of money. Okay, not every products are profitable. Let me say it again, every products are not profitable. And if you are a complete new buy, you need guidance on this, because when I started a few years ago, it took a lot of time for me to find the perfect product that I'm promoting now. Okay, so if you need a product, just you can connect with me on Facebook. The link will be in the video description, and I will help you with that. The first thing is the product, and the second thing is you need to learn the Facebook organic lead strategy, and you have to implement it. Okay, it's not that you have to be in front of your computer for 8 hours to 10 hours every day to make money. No, but you have to be 100% dedicated, you know. And let me share this at the beginning so that you have a clear understanding about this, and I will only be honest with you. Okay, I will not just say whatever you need to hear or whatever you want to hear. Instead, I will share with you my own experience, and I will share with the brutal truth. Okay, so the thing is, some people make the mistake of thinking that if they just work for 5 to 10 minutes a day, or even if they do not work for a few days, they will be making a lot of money within the first week or in the first month. No, this is not the case. The thing is, you have to be 100% dedicated, and you have to work at least a few hours a day. Okay, so if you use this strategy and use your mobile on the right strategy for a few hours a day while having your perfect product, you will be definitely making a lot of money. So let's assume you have your product now. Now you need to learn the Facebook organic lead strategy. You can promote any product in any niche on Facebook. But as for me, I am in the make money online niche, so I'll share with you about that. Let's assume you selected make money online as your niche, and you want to make money, and you want to start affiliate marketing. So you have to learn the Facebook organic strategy and implement it. So I'm sharing with you about the strategy. So how to connect with your dream customer. You know, in the Facebook organic lead strategy, you will learn, as I'm sharing with you, how you can connect with your dream customers, can connect with them and generate sales. So the first thing is, you have to have a business Facebook profile. Okay, you can either create one specially for business, or you can use your existing Facebook profile and use that. Okay, but it has to be specially for business. Okay, and you will be connected with only your business related friends worldwide in that profile. and if you do it right, your profile will work as a funnel. It will work as a lead generating machine. Let me share with you how. You will find my Facebook profile in this video description, but I'm saying it, why not? My Facebook profile URL is facebook.com/Muntasir Faisal 2, which is MUNTASIR FAYSAL 2. So if you visit this URL, you will find my Facebook page, Facebook profile, and you can model it. Okay. And if you visit my page, you will see that if you look at the cover photo, if you look at my bio, if you look at my links, and if you look at the feature photo, it's a professional or business related Facebook profile where I clearly state what services I offer. Okay. You can just visit my profile and you can model it, learn from my profile and make your own version, and change your cover photo, change your bio, and give your links and all that thing. So you can do that. So now let's assume you have a Facebook profile which is specially created for business, and you have a product that you are promoting. Now you need to use the strategy. So you will connect with your dream customers, and how you will do that? You will join in groups in your niche, okay, and you will engage in that group. You will engage in the posts. You will like them, you will comment in those posts, and you will share values. Okay. For example, an ideal group is in this niche, make money online niche, is ClickFunnels Avengers group, ClickFunnels official group, and Steven Larson's group, which is the science of selling online, offers or die. And if you connect with me, I will share with you a whole list of groups where you can join. So if you join in those groups, you will understand everything, because you will see a lot of marketers are sharing values on a daily basis. They're commenting on posts, they're sharing valuable posts. Okay. And why do they do it? Because when they share valuable posts, their prospect customers, or their target audience, sorry, as I like to call it, dream customer, their dream customers will connect with them. They will find value in that person, and they will go and send that person a friend request. As per me, I get around 50 to 60 friend requests every single day. So when you get friend requests from your prospect customers, you need to accept those friend requests, and you need to send them a welcome message. Okay, it's a short welcome message. You can say something like that: hey, John, it's nice to connect with you. Would you like to talk with me about your business, or how is things going on? Send a welcome message. When they send reply back, you send another message, and you will connect with them. Here connection is very, very important. Okay. If you do not build genuine connections with your prospects, you will not generate sales, because connecting and solving problem in this game is very, very important. You have to connect with them, you have to genuinely try to solve their problems, and never pitch your product as a product. You pitch your product as a solution to their problems. Okay. When you connect with them, when you build a relationship, and you will find, you will learn what struggles they're facing with their business, what problems they're currently facing. So offer free values, try to help them, and offer your product as a solution to their problem, specific problem. Okay. So this is how basically you connect with your dream customer, and you can make money, a lot of money, on a weekly basis from Facebook. Obviously this is not everything about the strategy. This is just the surface of the Facebook organic lead strategy, and if you want to share everything about it, it's going to take a lot of time. So if you want to learn the Facebook organic strategy, visit my Facebook profile and send me a message, and of course connect with me. I'd like to connect with you. Connect with me and send me a message, and I will share with you everything I know about Facebook organic lead strategy, how you can do affiliate marketing on Facebook. So this is it, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, please give it a like and comment on it, and of course subscribe to my YouTube channel right now. See you in the next video. Bye.